I call you my brother, then you my brother. You was part of my struggle, part of my...
It's your boy Juvi back with another video. I got a special drop for y'all. I should have copied these earlier. And this paint removal I'm about to show y'all is the reason I copped it, because I don't really like the original colorway. But once I found out the color that you could remove it to show, I said this is lit. This is the box. You don't really see silver boxes for Air Forces. The colorway, barely gray, moon particle. These are the Devin Booker Air Force One LV8. In one of my Air Force reviews, somebody asked me, what does LV8 mean? LV8 just means that this midsole, the white midsole you're looking at, is more elevated. That's all that means. It's nothing crazy. That says no ma'am, right? And this other one, and that's the main thing I don't like about the shoe, is the gray on the back. I don't know, it's out of place for me. It's like a metallic gray. No sir. For the tongue, it says made in Moss Point. I think that's where he was born. Size 14. I think that's his shoe size. He's part of the Phoenix Suns, player exclusive. The tongue is just litty because you don't see that all the time, you feel me? So that's the tongue right there. I'm gonna let it focus for y'all. Let me see if I can zoom it in. So y'all can really see what y'all see the vibes. And it comes with D Booker, a little tab. Some people wear that with their shoes. I don't understand why. I remove it every time. And every time you have a Elevate Air Force, you always have this right here, mini swoosh. Another thing that almost stopped me from getting the shoe, bro. Y'all see the gray overlay? Yo, I was not feeling it at first, but once I really looked at them, I said, I don't mind it, you feel me? It says Devin Booker's signature, no sock style. That's one of the looks that he be portraying, you feel me? That's the inside right there, what I just read to y'all. It's being blocked by the light, so it's not gonna be clear. It's hard to show, but y'all get the picture, bro. That's the best y'all gonna see right now. And the outsole, your regular outsole, nothing special. And you have this teal colorway, light teal colorway for the whole entire upper. The exciting part of the shoe, I mean, there's nothing else other than I could remove the paint. Anywhere you see light teal, it's a nice royal color under. And you could tell, especially with Jordan 1s, you see that color, that mesh up right here. That's the color it changes to. And I'm about to just start working on it right now. I'm not gonna do the whole shoe, but I just wanna show y'all how it works. I'm gonna speed up the video and I'm gonna do the rest later. I'm gonna just do some of it now. And then when it's sunny, I'm gonna bring y'all the on-feed video. I'm not trying to record that inside. It's not the same when you record on-feed videos inside. You look at any of my on-feeds, the best ones always outside. It's just the sun be complementing the shoe. I got acetone right here. And I'm about to get to work on these, you feel me? I'm not trying to spill it because this thing is, the scent is strong. I got the door open. I feel like, oh shit. You can't, with something like this, for a sneakerhead like myself, it will change your mind on the shoe. Like, I don't know hypey shit, but something like this will make us go for sure. And I like how it's kind of hard to get the color out. So if you do mess up, let's say you strike the wrong thing, it's not gonna come out crazy on it, you feel me? Like, you gotta put pressure before you can really mess up the wrong area. Like, right now I'm just doing the swoosh. Y'all see that? And I'm probably gonna just do this whole side first and then do the rest for later. It takes time. It doesn't come out easily. feel like if you do the whole shoes, it's gonna look whack. And if you don't do it right, it's gonna look whack. So I'm trying to do this proper. It's looking like the stressed blue. See, that I rock with. But there's no way I'm doing the whole shoe, bro. And that's mad work. I feel like, yo, this thing is so much labor. If you try to do the whole shoe, you're gonna be tight. You gotta spend like hours, because it doesn't come off easily. That's the problem. And then the more pressure you apply, the more it pops out. But some parts of it just look distressed. And the thing about doing this is once you do it, you can't go back. So I don't want to do the whole shoe and regret it. Because I know I will. You're doing the swoosh and calling it a day. As you guys can see, I don't know if it's supposed to look like this, but it seems like some parts is easier to remove. The parts that's darker, and then other parts is really hard. And I'm applying the same pressure. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep one like this for the moment, and then I'm gonna keep the other one like this until I do the on-feet video. Once the on-feet video is done, I'm gonna change this one too to this drippy way. I like this. If I could remove one thing, it would be this right here, and I would just change it to this colorway. You feel me? Or this gray right here with the same material right here. It would have been litty. But this has been another in-depth review. I appreciate y'all tuning in. As y'all can see, I got different types of videos on the channel. Y'all stay tuned for the month of August. By the end of August, there'll be public videos on the channel, and it's gonna be litty. It's your boy Juvi. I appreciate y'all tuning in once again. If you're not sub to the channel, gang, and like the video. I'm gonna catch you on the next one.
Tell you I love you and then I love you. If I call you my brother, then you my brother. You was part of my struggle, part of my